then the Prophet is also the most generous person. Always give money, give food for
very generous.
yeah,
You know what? I
the
never
most
found
generous,
people
in the world.
totally very awesome. Zuhud. Allah.
That's right. He always give food for yatim, right?
For orphan people.
Orphan, for poor.
And they
the poor.
polish every hair,
Yeah.
every opponent,
yes.
child opponent. Allah.
That's right. And then, he has the most miracles, the best miracles, the best mujizat. Yeah. For example, he could emit water from his hand, So it's the most holy water in the world, the holiest water in the world. It's holiest than Zamzam because
Allah.
it emits from the hand of the most noble person in the world.
Allah.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I think that's all.
Allah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for sharing us about, we got almost 7 minutes talking about your experience or inspire you about the Messenger Prophet Sallam. But before I'm gonna explain about my experience or my idea about that, any question about that?